Hi guys, it's Delia. Welcome back to my channel and happy fall! I am so excited. Fall season is finally here. It's one of my favorite seasons. Woohoo! So fall equals pumpkin season. And I have to say I am obsessed with pumpkins, guys. Very obsessed. Every year I tell myself and my family that I will not buy or DIY any pumpkins. And every year I fail miserably. I just can't. They are just so cute. Which is why today I have these 3 pumpkin project shares. These are extremely easy to make and very inexpensive. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And if fall is your favorite season and you are also obsessed with pumpkins, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see how I made these cuties, keep watching. For these toilet paper pumpkins, I use 3 rolls of toilet paper, the gift tissue paper, the raffia, the leaves, the bollies here, the garland. Those things are all from Dollar Tree. And I will insert a pic of the tissue paper I used at the end of the video. So basically what I did is I placed the toilet paper in the center of the tissue paper, and I pulled up all the edges together to make it look like a stem, and I used a rubber band to tie it around, and then just to keep the paper together, and then I tied the raffia around it and tucked in the little leaves like so. And then I decided to place them in this really cute basket I got at Walmart for $3. It was on clearance and super cute. And I put some tissue paper at the bottom just as a filler. And then I added the balls and the garland. I wrapped it around the basket. And yeah, that's pretty much what I did. For these cuties, I used 2 different kinds of pumpkins. This is a white ceramic pumpkin that I got at the Target dollar spot last year, and it was $1. This one here is the Styrofoam Pumpkin. It's an off-white color and it has a black glittery stem. This is from Walmart and it was 98 cents. I use stickers for both, and I will insert a pic of the stickers I used at the end of the video. These eyelashes here are the Color Mates eyelashes from Dollar Tree. I think they look really pretty and they match with the black stem. And then the lips are stickers from Walmart, and these eyes and the rhinestones are stickers from Dollar Tree. This one here was looking a little too white. It needed a little bit of more color, so I wrapped this ribbon around the stem and made this little bow. I think it looks super cute, and I am displaying them in these cupcake stands that I got at the Target dollar spot, and they were $1 each. And I added these cute little pink doilies that I got at Michael's a while back. And yeah, that's all I did. Super cute. I got inspired to do this after my sister sent me this pic she saw on the Pottery Barn website. I fell in love with them and I had to recreate them for a fraction of the price. I don't know how much they are. I didn't look in the website. She didn't tell me, but I'm thinking they were a little pricey. So I recreated them using all the materials from a Dollar Tree. And these are all styrofoam pumpkins. The big one here is hollow on the inside. It's a carvable pumpkin, so it was easy to cut on top. But these white ones are not hollow on the inside, so after I cut the top off, I had to pull out some of the styrofoam, and then I added moss and arranged the succulents. For this, a big one here, the original color was a bright orange color, but I wanted something more subtle, so I painted it using paints from Walmart, and I'll insert pics of the paints I use at the end of the video. But basically I used 3 colors. I used a dark orange, a off-white, and a light yellow color. And first I painted it all orange using the dark orange color. And FYI, because this type of pumpkin has a porous texture, it's better to use a foam brush than a bristle brush because that doesn't work very well. So yeah, I kind of wanted it to look real. So after I painted it all orange, I painted some random strokes of the white and the yellow paint, but I really didn't like the way it looked. It didn't look good. So I wasn't sure what to do, but thankfully my hubby had a genius idea. He told me to mix the paint with some water to give it the look I wanted, and voila, it worked. Then I used a small makeup brush to add the detail that I wanted, and here we have the results. I am in love with it. I think it looks really pretty and it looks just exactly the way I want it. So yoo-hoo! Then I put one of those circle green floral styrofoams inside. I added the moss and arranged the succulents, and yeah, I really like the way they turned out. And I am displaying them on this tray that used to be red, but I painted it using the same off-white color, and I added moss around the pumpkins and the little bollies and the pine cones, which by the way, these pine cones are from Michael's. So yeah, but everything else is from Dollar Tree. So yeah, I think it looks really pretty. And well, there you have it, guys, my 2018 pumpkin DIYs. Woohoo! I like how they all turned out, but my favorites are the succulent pumpkins, and that's probably because I am also obsessed with succulents. So yeah, let me know which one did you like best, the girl pumpkins, the toilet paper pumpkins, or the succulent pumpkins. And I have more fall DIYs from previous years that I will link down below, so in case you guys want to check them out. And yeah, and as always, thank you so very much for watching. Enjoy the pumpkin season. Have a very blessed day, and I will talk to you on my next video. Bye.